Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss on KuCoin. So go ahead and open the KuCoin app or website and then make sure you are logged into your account. Then simply tap on this trade and then spot trading. Now here select the trading pair that you want to trade. I'll just do Bitcoin and USDT. And now what you want to do is set it to buy right here and then you have limit, market and advanced limit. But when you click on the drop down menu, right here you will also see the option to click on stop limit. So then here you can set a stop loss or stop limit. So when you want to sell automatically, and you can choose how much you would like to invest, and then when you click on buy Bitcoin, you will buy the Bitcoin with your USDT, and if it hits a certain stop loss, it will be sold automatically. So that's how to set up a stop loss on KuCoin. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.